Hi friends, in the series of DSA interview questions and answers, we will be covering the uh, interview questions mostly on the string, list, trees and graph, and all the standard problems we will be covering, including the recursive problems and of course the mathematical problems also, and it will be mutual learning. So let's hope for the best and let's start it.
Yeah. Hey guys. So before jumping to the solution of LRU cache or implementation of LRU cache, I would suggest to get a good hold on the concepts of linked list nodes. So we will start with the same approach. We will start step by step. First we'll design custom node, then we'll design the doubly linked list, and then we will write the solution for LRU cache. So let's start. So I have done already that homework for myself, and for making the videos for the better clarity, I will redo it just for better clarity, as writing and understanding it make more easier. So let's start, and uh, I will just write a new job, and I will write a custom node. Okay, again I will design the custom node. So now I should before writing any content in the custom node, let understand what the basic things that the custom node should set, basic data set that the custom node should satisfy, right? So let's jump into that. So suppose this is a custom node. Okay, suppose this is the this is the custom node, right? And here now what we can have is, and suppose let's make two custom nodes, and yeah, so what we can have is here data, data part will be there, right? So let me draw it. Just hold for a while. Yeah, so now I have the stylus with me, so sorry. Yeah, so what we should have the data part, right? We should have the data part, and what else we should have? So I will write step by step data part, and then what we should have, we can have link next reference. So we can have the next reference. Let me draw. This is the next reference, the one which we have mentioned yesterday, the left and right. So this will be the next reference. Sorry for the bad drawing. Yeah, this is the next reference, and then what else we should have? This is the data, and then this node will also have data, its own data, right? And it will have previous reference as well as next reference. So what now we have already seen what we should be having in the custom node. So I will write it here. So we will see this one. So we should have data. So data can be anything. So I will use the generics here. So data can be anything, so remember to use generics. So we will try to implement the best custom node which we can implement. And then second thing will be, we have seen next reference should be there, and the previous reference should be there, right? So this is the previous reference. If we note here, this is the previous reference. Yeah, this is the previous reference. So this is previous reference. So another thing which should be there is previous reference, right? So what I will do is previous reference to same type custom node, right? So previous reference, and again I will do what, then there should be, let me put some empty lines, and then there should be next reference as well, right? each node will have the next reference. So this we have designed the custom node. So node is a relative terminology. Here we are defining the data node, right? Next reference. So now we have data, data, and remember to make it more generic as possible. And then we have next reference, and we have previous reference, right? So this will be our custom node, and we should generate the getter setter of this. So let's generate the getter setter of this as well. Data, yeah, all I will generate. So we have to set next reference, right? And we have to remove the next reference, so like that. So we will generate the getter setter of all the reference, and what we have keep in the mind, the minimum requirement, this and data. So let me clear it, and yeah, so we have designed the custom node. Now in the next, let's design the custom doubly linked list. And I believe, or I definitely believe that you will enjoy that content.